Hey guys, Amelia here with Mama Bear Reviews, and today I have another new product. Goli just launched 2 new products, and I'm here to share and do a live taste test as I always do with all the Goli products. So if you want to see the new products, let's get into it. Okay, so I just got this package and opened it, and if you didn't know already, Goli just launched their 2 new products for chocolate lovers out there. So if you are not a huge gummy person, I know I've had a few people say like they can't really do the gummies, the texture, they're sticky, what have you. You might like these then. They came out with these 2 new products. They have a calm and a multi. I've read a lot about these. I've heard good things, but let's see. We'll do a taste test and then I'll read you kind of what they're supposed to do. So the Goaline Bites, it says 25 calories per bite, 2 pieces. It says you can enjoy 2 pieces twice daily, but as always, I usually only do 1 serving size per day. It does contain milk, eggs, and soy. Let's see. What else? So this one basically has the same KSM 66 ashwagandha that the ashwagandha gummies have. So if you don't like the texture of it, these might be a better solution if you take it at night, maybe like a little treat before bed for your taste buds. Yeah, it says the ashwagandha, it has reishi, I'm pronouncing it wrong, mushroom extract, which I've heard really good things about. People do like mushroom teas, and they're supposed to have all these great benefits. So hopefully this does the same thing. But anyways, it has the ashwagandha, which, as you guys know, if you've taken it, it helps improve your sleep. It helps, improve the quality of your sleep, sexual health, reduces stress and relaxation. I love the blue ones up there for just unwinding at the end of the day, or if I'm feeling really overwhelmed and stressed out. Plus, these also say that they could help support those like stress cravings. So we'll see. That's this one. And then the MultiOne is basically like your overall health and well-being. Like I said, if you don't like the gummy, you can take these. Yes, immune support, overall health and well-being. What else does it say? Bone and muscular and bone health. Yeah, so I think this one it basically is like a little treat tasting for vitamins and essential nutrients and all that good stuff. So we'll test these out. I will see which one I like better, if I like them both, and what the difference is compared to the other 4 gummies. Now this one, it just says enjoy 1 piece as needed. So I would think it would just be 1 daily. Let's see what else. So this one, the MultiOne, is a vanilla cocoa chocolate flavored one. And this one is a chocolate acai berry flavor. So they do have a slight flavor difference. So let's check them out. So let's taste the calm ones first. I haven't taken any of the other ones today, so it should be fine. I don't really, oh my gosh. I'd say push down. It says on the cap. Push down and twist. As you can see, I have not tasted these already. Seal's still on, so let's see how they go. I'm really excited because I love chocolate. I have such a sweet tooth. So we'll see. Okay, this one it says take 2, but I'm just gonna take 1 just to taste test. They're like, ooh, it smells good. So they're just like little chocolate bites. I mean, they're tiny. They're basically like a little smaller than the gummies. Here, I can compare. Let's compare sizing. So if you have the red or any of the gummies, so they're about the same size as the gummy. So, all right, let's taste it. Oh, they do have like a chocolate berry. I didn't think this one would taste as good, like chocolate and berries. I was kind of like, that one's good. Might have to switch out my ashwagandha gummy for these at night because this is delicious. Okay. That's really good. Okay. Now let's taste the MultiOnes. Unopened. Open these bad boys. Okay, they look the exact same. They look the exact same as the others. Okay, that's what it looks like. These don't have any berry. It's vanilla, basically a vanilla chocolate flavor. It tastes like a piece of fluffy chocolate, like a Milky Way or a. The texture reminds me of a Milky Way because it has like that fluffy center. It doesn't necessarily taste like a Milky Way, but the texture reminds me of it. It's a very subtle chocolate vanilla flavor. Like it's not overly chocolatey or it's not overly sweet, but it has that hint of sweetness. So this one, it says there's 3 grams of sugar in one piece. So I mean, they're not sugar free. If you want the sugar free, go check out the super greens. And these ones have 5 grams of sugar for 2 pieces. So this is amount per serving. Serving size is 2 pieces and there's 5 sugars. So, and like I said, this one's 3 for 1 and this one's 5 for 2. Not too bad, especially if you're using it to kind of like, if you have a huge sweet tooth. I have a huge sweet tooth. So I might replace this at night instead of like my mound of bowl of ice cream. I might just take 2 of these as like a little treat before bed to help calm down before bed and get a better night's sleep. So bonus, might work. I'll let you know. I will use these and give you guys an update, let you know how it is. They did give me a discount code. They sent these to me to try. They gave me a code. As always, my code Mama Bear Reviews gives you 15% off the entire website. Plus, they're having huge sales right now off the entire website. There's like buy 5 bottles of these and get 5 travel bottles free. And there's sales on these right now. Plus my code you can use on top of whatever sale they're having. Get you extra money off. So definitely go check these out. Like I said, leave a comment below if you're excited to try these and which one you'll want to try first. As always, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.